Hey guys, it's Asheli for Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Culture Carton. If you're not familiar, this is a monthly men's subscription box for lifestyle, culture, and cultured items, I guess. My chest hurts. And one essential book. So, if you get the standard box, I do have a coupon code. I will put that down below. Gives you 20% off your first package in a subscription. That standard box includes a themed assortment of lifestyle products as well as one book. That is $45. There is just the lifestyle items for $35. You do pay shipping on both of those subscriptions, but then there is also just the book for $16. You do not pay shipping on that one. So we are going to, this is the full-size standard box. We're going to get into this right now. These boxes have crazy retail values sometimes. Like, we've received leather goods, watches, just amazing, beautiful items that I like for myself. So anyway, here's our inserts. They do always include the retail price on each of their in each of their cards. So this is called the Ellison, and I wonder what that means. Should I read the little blurb? I guess I should, right? It's time to stop overlooking the little things in life and to start appreciating the details. This month's box is all about those little details. The Black Label Voyage. Oh, I'm not gonna read anymore because it's gonna give us stuff away. I'm excited. All right, so first up we have these Baron Fig Vanguard ruled little pocket notebooks. We've received ones like this before, but they were not ruled. I believe they were the ones with the dots. These are really cool because they're threaded like with yellow. They just look cool. They fit in your back pocket. If you don't carry a purse, I don't carry a purse, but I do like to jot down notes. These are great to have with you, especially if you're out and you're like talking to somebody and they're like, hey, are you free this day? And you're like, I don't use my phone. I like tangible. That's me. Maybe you're not like me. That's okay too. All right. This is Dave's Sweet Tooth Toffee in milk chocolate. This is big. This is a 4-ounce bag. I am going to look at this and smell it. I shall not eat any because I'm being very good. I will share it with my kids. However, I like toffee. I prefer toffee over caramel. So in my less thoughtful, cautious days, I would have enjoyed all of this, probably alone and in one sitting. Anyway, all right, we're going to keep going here. This is the item I'm excited about. So this is the Black Label Voyager watch. I don't know what this looks like yet, but we received a watch in this. I still wear it. I'm sure in some of my videos you guys see that watch. I gave it to my husband. He didn't like it. So, so I kept it for myself. Look at that. Oh, man. And we'll read over the retail prices once it's just all black with a big face. I love those statement watches. They're just so cool. And it's in like a gunmetal, like that, like the outside of the face. I don't even want to take it out right now. It's beautiful. Okay. It's like a watch addiction. I do have like a weird thing with watches. I love them. All right. So our book for this month is, yes, exactly what I thought. Now I do have this book. I've read this. If you've never read Invisible Man, it is like an amazing, amazing piece of art. Just a great book in general. It's a cultural piece, I think. But if you've never read it, great book. I do have this one, so I'll pass this off to a friend or something like that. Maybe I'll donate it. I do like this cover, though. I've never seen one like that. Sorry, my voice is so weird right now. It looks like very like from the mod from the time that this book, you know, was supposed to have taken place. So that is everything. Let's look over our retail prices real quick. I love this box. Isn't it amazing? And like, what in there was exclusively for a man? I mean, like, maybe a lot of women might not like that watch for themselves, but I don't know. I think it's a pretty good deal. So this box is $45. For that, you're getting the $16 book. The watch is $120. The Baron Fig Vanguard pocket notebooks are $9, and the Dave's Sweet Tooth Toffee is $6 for a total retail value of $121. That is an amazing, amazing, amazing deal. If you're interested in checking them out, I will link to them down below. I will also link to my full review, so you can check that out as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. I guess I didn't turn it off. I'm still here.